We're Immobiliser Fit. This is a 2021 Toyota Hilux protected with a Halo Mini. If a thief got the key to this, went to steal the vehicle, they'll start it up, pop it in gear, and the vehicle cuts out. So they're unable to drive it away. For the customer, this is nice and simple to use. They start it, go through a code. We have 1, 2, 3 for the video, receive a bleep from the dash, and then we can select our gear and drive away. We turn it off, the system activates instantly, confirm with 2 bleeps, and if a thief grabbed the key and went to steal it, the vehicle's going nowhere, it's immobilised. If the customer's taking this to Toyota for a service and they want to turn the system off, don't want to hand over the code, what they'll do is keep their foot off the brake, double tap the start button so the ignition comes on, do their code, and hold the last button for 15 seconds until we get 5 bleeps from the dash. Now we've got that, we can turn the vehicle off, let go of the button, and this is now a normal vehicle. This is in service mode. So with Toyota, you'll just hand them the key, no need to tell them there's anything fitted. It's just going to start up and operate like a normal vehicle as if there was nothing fitted. We're in reverse now, the vehicle can obviously be driven. It's like there's nothing fitted. This doesn't expire, so as long as it's in Toyota, get in service, it's not going to be an issue. When you get it home, you've got to turn the system back on. To do that, it's the same process. So foot off the brake, double tap the start button, pop your code in, and hold the last button for 15 seconds. This time we're just going to get 1 bleep from the dash. We've got that, we can turn the vehicle off and the system's going to be active. Get our double bleep, vehicle's secure again. It's going to need that code before it can be driven away. Our number's 0208 212 7393. We're Immobiliser Fit. Thanks for watching.